Hello, I hope you're doing well. I'll take you through the use of sorting data by using the custom list. As you know, Excel sorts numbers according to their values and sorts words in alphabetical order. You can have Excel sort the contents of a worksheet, such worksheet that we have here, based on values in a known list, and that what we mean is by creating our own custom list. So for instance, I have the name here and the category of each name. For example, you'll see that Wilson is in the high category. But if I want to have the list of those with high following one another, followed by average, maybe medium, low, what I'm going to do is to create what we call a custom list. We access custom list from the data group, and in the data tab, and in the sort and filter group here, we are going to click the sort here. From there, you'll notice that our table has been highlighted. We shall sort by which column. Let me sort by category column. Then whatever we have in the column is values. We don't have to sort by colors or the cell or the font colors. We also don't have to sort by conditional formatting icons. So in this order here, we have A to Z and Z to A, but remember, we are not going to sort them in alphabetical order. We are going to create our own custom list. And in our custom list here, I had already created it here. It is in the high, average, medium, and low. So if I click here, I'm going to have the names arranged in the high, average, medium, and low order. So that's basically how we create our own custom list. You can have other list of fair, strongly agree, strongly disagree, and you have to create your own category of your own list, custom list. Let's say in future you need to edit your list here. You usually click the file, then in the options you go to the advanced. From the advanced you click all the way to the last options here. Then from here you can see the custom list that we have. We have Sunday. Remember, you cannot delete these ones because they are inbuilt. That's why they are not highlighted, or that's why they have a grayish background. You can have those days starting with Sunday, Monday. Remember, if you sort out this way in alphabetical, it will appear in alphabetical order. You can also sort the months of the year, and also in short form or in long form. In the case of the list that we have here it is. Now if you select it, because I created it from my side, you'll see that it has been deleted. The list will be permanently deleted, and that is how we do it. In case now you can put your other things here, and then that's what will appear in the custom list from there, and then you click OK. That's what will appear from when you come here next. So simply that's how we use the sorting data function, and by creating the custom list. Remember, by practicing every day, you're going to get more and more knowledge on this. I'll provide this download file in case you need to practice with it, and I know that you are going to make it far. See you in the next lesson as we continue to know more. Goodbye for now.